Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, this is problem 24 of chapter 5, section 2. This problem is asking us to roll two dice 100 times and add up their sums each time. We're doing this because in problem 20, we calculated the theoretical mean, variance, and standard deviation of what this process would look like. And we want to compare those theoretical values to real-world values. Now, for the purposes of this video, rolling 100 die or two dice 100 times is going to take a little bit too long. So what I've done here is I've actually just made a quick program to simulate this. And what I have here is two dice being rolled at 100 times. Right here is where the rolling actually occurs. Here is where we are going to calculate our mean. Here is the variance, and of course the standard deviation is just the square root of our variance. And we'll go ahead and print the results here. So let's give this a shot. All right, so after rolling two dice and adding up their sides 100 times, we find that we have a mean of 7.27. And if we remember from problem 20, we got a theoretical mean of exactly 7, so fairly close. Our variance we got here was 5.6971. The theoretical variance should be 5.833, which is also pretty close. And we got a standard deviation of 2.38686, and the theoretical should be 2.415, also pretty close. And of course, if we do this a larger amount of times, so for example, we'll go ahead and bring this up to 100,000. See, it takes a little bit longer, but we get a mean and variance and standard deviation way closer to the theoretical results than with just 100 samples. And of course, if we did this an infinite amount of times, we should see that the mean, variance, and standard deviation exactly equal the theoretical results. And as I mentioned previously in another video, we can do this for three dice as well. We suspected that the mean for three dice was 10.5. Let's go ahead and see what we get here. After 100,000 rolls, you can see that the mean here is actually right about at 10.5. Ignore this 7 that was for two dice. So yeah, it looks like whenever we have one dice, that mean should be 3.5, or one die, that mean should be 3.5. For two dice, that mean will be 7, and then for three dice, that mean will be 10.5. And that's basically all there is to this problem. If you want to try this at home, you can always grab one or two die and try rolling them 100 times and seeing what you get. But this simulation should be a pretty accurate result as well. Thank you.